Do you want to get paid with your photography or video skills? Did you know LinkedIn is one of the best ways to get a job as a photographer or a videographer? And did you know this course will teach you a step-by-step strategy that will help you land more gigs, whether you're looking for freelance or full-time work? Perfect. My name is Phil Ebener, and I've created some of the world's top-rated photo and video courses taken by millions of students around the world. With this course, I've partnered with a LinkedIn expert, Gustavo Escobar, who has a passion for helping others get better jobs. By taking this LinkedIn course, you'll know how to optimize your profile, position yourself as an expert, expand your network, and land your dream photo and video jobs. When you enroll in this course, you get instant access to hours of easy-to-watch video lessons, practical activities, downloadable resources to help you out, and premium support if you ever get stuck. Truly, LinkedIn is a great way to find jobs and build a network. Whether you're moving somewhere new or you're brand new to the industry, it's a great way to make those connections. In fact, and in all honesty, it was the way that I landed some of my first jobs as a videographer coming out of film school. So if you're a photographer or videographer who wants to get more work, we truly believe this is the right course for you. Just click that enroll button and we'll see you inside.